This is Bob with Bob CNC, and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're looking at the Revolution, and we're going to assume that the machine homes, but the jogging is not working like you expect. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and home the machine by clicking the home button, and it will go through its homing process. Once it goes through the homing process, you're going to want to jog into position. However, if you have the default values, first of all, you're going to be in millimeters, which currently is what you'll need to be in for the Revolution until we get some updated firmware. So you're looking at jogging and you say, okay, I want to jog the X. And this is the sound that you get. What's happening? Well, it's actually doing exactly what you told it to do. So the default is 10 millimeters per minute, which means 10 millimeters, about 3/8 of an inch. It would take the whole minute to actually move that 3/8 of an inch, right? So what do I need to do to fix it? Well, the first thing that you would want to do is change that 10 millimeter feed rate in your jog controller to like 3,000 or 4,000. So I'll just go 4,000 for this example. And then you would see that if I jog now, it would be zippier, but it's still only moving that 1 millimeter. Your step sizes are how far it's going to move. So let's say I want to move about 4 inches, which is about 100 millimeters. I can just go ahead and type in 100 millimeters, hit the tab, and the next time I hit X, it's going to go that distance. So your step sizes is how far it moves each time that you click one of these buttons, and the feed rate is how fast it moves. It really is that simple. Now, if you're wanting to move the bit into place to get position, then maybe you want it to be a millimeter or even maybe a 1/2 millimeter, 0.5 millimeters. And then you can see how small the Z moves, right? Another thing is if I hold the button down, I can get it to continue until I let it up. You need to be careful with that because it kind of adds those up. I would only recommend doing that if your step sizes are really small. So that right there is how you jog your CNC machine. Thanks for watching.